Welcome to our SI 622 final group presentation. Throughout this semester, our group's client was IBM developerWorks. IBM developerWorks is a site focused on providing assistance and expertise to developers working with a wide variety of IBM products. We're grateful for the support and guidance Mr. Kevin Hicks, our client lead, provided us throughout the project. Today we're going to walk you through some background about our project, talk about the areas upon which we focused, discuss our methods, including interviews, user surveys, comparative analysis, heuristic evaluation, and the usability testing our groups conducted. Then we'll discuss the findings about the site, along with our recommendations to improve functionality of the system. So let's get started. IBM developerWorks is interactive and collaborative, allowing users to coordinate efforts worldwide, interact with IBM experts, learn and contribute content through forums, question and answer, and through communities. More than 4 million users access the site on a regular basis, and it has undergone multiple iterations since its founding in 1999. Due to the size and scope of the platform, our client tasked us to look at 3 areas of the site: find design problems or user experience gaps, and suggest enhancements. We focused on developer centers, which allow users to interact directly with IBM product teams, DW Answers, a question and answer platform, and communities, an area where teams may collaborate, share code and other documentation, and view public communities to find a wide variety of IBM solutions. After meeting with our client, we began our needs assessment. We conducted research on the site and built interaction maps. Then our group, along with assistance in recruiting and provision of financial incentives from our client, conducted interviews with 5 programmers. We leveraged the results of the interviews to build personas and scenarios, inform our findings about developer centers, DW Answers, and communities, and better focus on developing solutions to meet the needs of our target population. Following the interview process, our team built and distributed surveys using Qualtrics, informed by interview findings along with historical client-based survey questions. We and our client distributed the surveys, resulting in 98 usable responses, which we compiled into a technical report and shared with our client. Next, we conducted a comparative analysis, comparing developer centers, DW Answers, and communities with like competitors such as Microsoft Developer Network, Oracle Communities, Stack Overflow, Google Developers, and GitHub. The comparative analysis allowed us to further refine our recommendations based upon observed best practices among our competitors, particularly pertaining to page navigation, displays, and ease of overall usage. The key elements of our usability evaluation included a heuristic evaluation of developer centers, DW Answers, and communities, and usability testing. For heuristic evaluation, each group member assessed the sites utilizing Nielsen's heuristics. We then merged our findings to determine top usability concerns. Usability testing served as the culminating event for our project and included client-requested card sorting, an independent agent labeling survey, and A/B testing of the IBM developerWorks landing page, along with group-created tasks pertaining to developer centers, DW Answers, and communities. Once again, for usability testing, our client assisted with user recruitment and compensated all participants. Informed by the needs assessment and usability assessment phases of our project, our team developed 6 findings and associated recommendations pertaining to developer centers, DW Answers, and communities. Findings are listed by priority as determined by our team. First finding: the navigation across the platform is inefficient. In this example, a user connects to developer centers, then communities, then finds featured events. We recommend that IBM developerWorks consider the use of drop-down menus on their navigation bars, along with an improved hierarchical structure in order to facilitate ease of use. Second finding, developerWorks and DW Answers do not rank high on search engines. In this example, a user searches Google for information about IBM Watson. As you can see from the results, hits include IBM sites, but the first results page does not direct users to developerWorks or DW Answers, though Watson in fact has a developer center. We recommend IBM developerWorks collaborate with other IBM solutions in order to improve search engine optimization. Third finding, the use of jargon or acronyms without explanation of terms is confusing to users. Looking at developer centers again, the descriptors are vague, and some of the titles, while familiar to regular users, such as jazz.net, ITOA/dev, and IBM integration, are unclear to the casual user. We recommend the client spell out abbreviations and include meaningful descriptions wherever possible throughout the page. Fourth finding, developer centers and technical topics are difficult to explore. In this example, one can see that the volume of topics requires users to scroll through the page, and that the topics do not appear to follow a set pattern. It is possible to rearrange the topics from A to Z, but not by category or function. We recommend that the client categorize the site based upon IBM's focus areas of CAMS, Cloud, Analytics, Mobile, Security, and Social, in order to provide ease of use for the user. Fifth finding, search functionality and search location are inconsistent across developerWorks. As you can see in the example, the home page has a search bar in the upper right-hand corner. A search for Bluemix community takes users to a page where the search is located in the center of the page, while the other search bar remains in the upper right-hand corner. A search of Bluemix in public communities yields still different results. We recommend the client maintain consistent search functionality throughout the platform. We further recommend that the search feature allows users to check one or multiple boxes, such as developer centers, technical topics, DW Answers, communities, etc., in order that the user may decide which feature of the platform to focus a particular search. Sixth finding, public communities are difficult to explore. In this example, the user must click on Community, then click on Public Communities on the left side of the screen. The user then receives a large number of public communities arranged in no clear order. We recommend public communities again be arranged according to CAMS, and that the most recently active or most popular communities receive priority. This concludes our findings and recommendations. In conclusion, we wanted to show you key areas that we missed. Mainly due to the size of the platform, our assessment of developer centers, DW Answers, and communities does not encompass the entire IBM developerWorks platform. This is true of our usability evaluation as well. Once again, thank you to Kevin Hicks and the developerWorks team for your time, guidance, and support throughout this project. Thank you to Professor Schoenbach and our instructors for your mentorship throughout the semester. Thanks to Prezi and Qualtrics for supporting students with excellent presentation and survey tools. And thank you to a great team for your professionalism throughout the semester. We thank you for watching.